Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel The Forgotten Lore. Friends, today in our Forgotten Lore, we are going to discuss about this amazing plant which is forgotten by all of us. This is a very good, highly nutritious green leafy vegetable which is coming under ferns. This is a plant, but it is not a flowering plant. It is not an angiosperm. It is a fern. So this is edible. Wiki says that for more than 3000 years it has been used as a food. But nowadays we have forgot about this one. Today I am going to prepare a recipe from this plant, as well as we will discuss about the health benefits and medicinal properties of this we can say the forgotten plant. Commonly this is known as four-leaf clover or water clover. Scientifically it is known as Marsilia. We will discuss about the scientific classification in this video later. In Tamil it is known as Arai Kirai or Neer Arai. Come on friends, let us start the preparation of the delicious dish by using this green leafy vegetable. To prepare the dish, we are collecting this plant. Actually, this plant is growing as a weed in the paddy field. You can see now it is growing luxuriously on both the sides of the irrigation channel of in the paddy field. So we are collecting the healthy leaves from the field directly. We have to collect it along its pedicel. The whole leaf, the four clover shape along with its stalk, we have to collect it. So friends, these are the collected leaves. I brought it home. I have cleaned it and washed it. Now it is ready for the preparation. We need not remove the leaf stalks. The leaf stalks are delicious. Cleaning of these leaves are very simple friends. Even chopping or cutting is also very simple. We have to arrange it in such a way that we can hold everything in our hand. Then I have arranged like that. Then we can use a chopper, either a chopper or a scissor. I normally use scissors to cut the vegetables. Particularly for leafy vegetables, I use scissors. So I have arranged in such a way to use and cut with the help of scissors. I have collected one of this plant with its underground parts. So these are the underground area, and it is showing the new sprouts also. It is spreading through runner like structures. I have brought it to try it in my house as a money plant. I am going to try it to grow. Since the plant foliage itself is very beautiful and looking attractive, we can grow it as home decor also. And whenever we need, we can harvest from our home itself to prepare the soup. See friends, growing plants in our house is a great enjoyment, is it not? So let us try. Friends, to prepare the dish, I have kept the vessel. I have added a spoon of coconut oil, and I am adding all the seasoning materials such as mustard, broken black gram dal, then cut onions. So I have added all these things, and we have to stir it nicely in the oil till we get the nice aroma of these onions. With this, now I am adding the cut Marsilia leaves. That is the green leaves which I have cut. I have added with this one. So nicely we have to fry it. So with this now I am adding the cut tomato pieces. So at the beginning I did not add the tomato pieces. If we add the pieces before, the tomato will become paste. So I did not add. We have to toast the leaves in the oil. That's why I have added that one. Now I have added chili powder and turmeric powder. If we need, we can add sambar powder or masala powder also can be added. And needed quantity of salt has to be added, and then again fry it. Nicely we have to fry. So after it get half fried, it will become a little paste like thing. At that time we have to add little water and then just bring it to boil. We need not close it. Already the green leaves are cooked in the oil when we were frying. Only to make the gravy we have to bring it to boil for few minutes. So now it is almost ready. I am going to take this gravy along with Ilipaipu Samba plain rice. Come on friends, let us taste the dish together and enjoy the dish. This four-leaved clover plant is scientifically known as Marsilia quadrifolia. Quadri refers to four. So that is the reason, since it has four leaflets, we call it as Marsilia quadrifolia. Let us see the scientific classification of this plant. It belongs to clade tracheophytes since it has the conducting elements, and it belongs to the class Polypodiopsida and order Salviniales, family Marsiliaceae, genus Marsilia, and species Quadrifolia since it has the four leaflet-like structures. According to one report, it is said that this plant has been used as a food for more than 3000 years. Commonly, this plant is known as water clover, and this plant is used for a wide range of diseases in case of traditional Chinese medicine. It is used as a body coolant drug, diuretic, detoxicant, and hemostatic, that is to stop or to control unnecessary bleeding and different kinds of diseases and health problems such as malaria and diabetes. Consumption of this green leafy vegetable reduces inflammation, swelling, and pain in the body. A decoction of this Marsilia is taken orally to treat nephritis. Decoction of this plant along with vinegar is taken in warm water to relieve lumbago. The leaves of this plant is smashed and it is applied as a poultice to treat boils as a topical application on the skin. In some types of indigenous traditional medicines, this Marsilia quadrifolia leaves, the whole plant is dried and it is made into pills and it is consumed as a treatment for diabetes. In Ayurvedic system of medicine, it is used to treat bronchitis, cough, psychiatric problems, diabetes, eye diseases, skin diseases as well as diarrhea. According to one research report, the preliminary phytochemical analysis of different extracts shows that presence of tannins, saponins, flavonoids, steroids, terpenoids, triterpenoids, alkaloids, carbohydrates, proteins, different phenolic compounds and phytoesterols are present in this plant. Because of the presence of all these kinds of metabolites, this plant Marsilia quadrifolia is acting as a a very good effective antioxidant agent. This aquatic fern, beautiful fern, this Marsilia quadrifolia, it is antimicrobial, anti-cancerous, anti-inflammatory, anti-arthritic, anti-asthmatic and hepatoprotective. All these characters it has. More than this, the research report is saying it has many useful and beneficial properties of this plant. Another report says that this plant is an effective aphrodisiac, and this has beta carotene. Because of the presence of beta carotene, it is very good in the activity of curing eye problems. Another research report which was published in 2018 says that this plant can be used in dessert making in cottage industries. Actually, they say that the nutritional values of Marsilia quadrifolia has given the plant a special natural medicinal flavor which can be linked with the dessert making cottage industry to provide nutrition to population as well as generate alternative livelihood. In Jharkhand region, this plant is harvested and it is sold in the market. But in Tamil Nadu, I did not see that it is not sold in the market, I think. It is treated as a weed. But since this is highly nutritious and it has medicinal properties, whenever we get this plant, we have to consume. Friends, about the intake of these plants and different preparations and recipes, I will give in part 2 of this video. So, thank you for watching this video patiently. To improve my way of presentation, kindly give me your feedback in the comments and discussion section. Encourage and give support to me by subscribing my channel. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends. Whenever you get time, kindly try to watch all my videos. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye. See you. Best wishes.